So, it's raining hard today, and well, I should mention that I do have my regular workroom that I always go, you know, for my art and, for internet purposes. Well, this room in particular wasn't really built well with insulation, so this room tends to echo a lot, and when I mean by echo, I mean it amplifies the sound of simple things, like rain, for example. I mean, right now it's only drizzling outside, as you can see. Well, not really drizzle, but it's just the irregular rain. Which, unfortunately, I put the bright settings a bit too high. But just to show you an example, right now I'm in a room that sounds a bit decent, right? You hear nothing. When I go to my workroom, however, I don't know if this camera is actually catching the noise, but yeah, it's a little loud. This is just the light rain, mind you. Wait for a hard rain. Oh, right on cue too. This is what I deal with rainy weekends.